Welcome. Today we are looking at initiation rite. Marks the transition from childhood to adulthood. Forms of initiation: removal of foreskin, circumcision, removal of foreskin or circumcision, removal of teeth, piercing of chin and ears, tattooing or sacrification, incision eye marking or scissors, clitoridectomy or female genital mutilation. Common rituals performed during initiation and their significance: offering sacrifice to their ancestors to appease them. Blood is left to or percolate to the ground to connect the initiates with the ancestors. Initiates are secluded during initiation. Reasons why initiates were secluded: receive education on human sexuality and family life, receive community secrets, for healing to occur or have regular checkups, be fed well, for initiates to bond easily, formation age set groups or age sets, for initiates to bond for easy formation of age sets group or age set, to give for preparation or celebrations to welcome them back, to facilitate guidance and counseling, to keep away from opposite sex or children, to teach them independence. Number 4 is singing and dancing are done during the initiation. Reason for the singing and dancing during an initiation rite: celebration or celebrate the occasion, encourage the initiates, express solidarity with the initiates, praise the initiates as heroes, mock the cowards, as an act of worship. The fifth one was gifts and presents were offered to the initiates as a sign of appreciation or sign of their bravery. The initiate's hair is shaved or shed their former status to start a new life. Bathing the initiates, wearing new clothes mark the end of the initiation period. Importance of the initiation rite: 1. To make the initiates full members of the community, introducing individuals to the community secrets and traditions, for them to acquire new status in their life, to allow them to access responsibilities in their life. For example, they were allowed to own property, they were allowed to marry, assume some leadership post, became a community or clan warrior. Another importance of the initiation rite is to be linked with the ancestors through the shedding of blood, for the unity of the community members, creates a bond of unity and friendship between age mates, train the initiates to acquire important traditional virtues. Prayers and sacrifices are offered as acts of worship. Reasons why newly initiated young men live together in traditional African societies: to receive common teachings on values and duties, for proper checkups, to facilitate proper feeding, to have them undergo common rituals before returning home, to allow them to socialize, to give them identity as members of the same age group, to receive guidance and counseling, to learn the secrets of the community, to identify skills or talents or abilities, to keep them away from the members of the opposite sex, to teach them independence. Role of a sponsor. A sponsor is a person who takes an initiate to get initiated. Monitor the healing process of the wound, protect the initiates from any danger, play the role of a mentor or father. It feeds the initiates, give the initiate moral support, encourage the initiates to face their operation boldly, gives or teaches the initiate sex education, teaches the initiate the secrets and the ways of the community, Offers guidance and counseling to the initiates. Link the initiates with their families. Educates the initiates on their duties and responsibilities as adults. Methods of teaching the youth in the traditional African societies. Assignments or other supervision through questions and answers, through proverbs or riddles or parables, through observation, through dramatization, apprenticeship in specialized areas, through folktales or myths or stories, through peer groups, through lectures from the elders, through songs and dances, through practical involvement or association. Through practical involvement or association. Ways in which youths are taught in Ways in which the youth are taught to be responsible in traditional African societies. Through participation alongside the adults,